Welcome to the best picks. The best Fish Tank Syphon Pump is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked tools for any aquarium enthusiast, simplifying the crucial task of water changes and substrate cleaning with remarkable efficiency. This device, designed to effortlessly remove water and debris from your fish tank, ensures a healthier and more pristine environment for your aquatic pets, making maintenance less of a chore and more of a seamless part of your aquarium care routine. Its intuitive design and powerful suction capabilities mean you can achieve a thorough clean in a fraction of the time, promoting better water quality and reducing stress on your fish. Number 5. Laifoo 5-Foot Aquarium Siphon Vacuum Cleaner. Introducing the Laifoo Aquarium Siphon Vacuum Cleaner, your ultimate solution for a pristine fish tank. It makes cleaning simple and efficient. Easily siphon out fish waste, impurities, and turbid water. Keep your aquarium healthy and clear with minimal effort. The 5-foot hose is made from clear, elastic plastic, ensuring durability and preventing kinks. It's completely harmless to your fish and has no odor. The sinkable gravel tube features a detachable filter screen. It cleans effectively without disturbing your fish or tank decorations. Getting started is easy. Just pinch the siphon ball a few times, and water will flow automatically. No need for blowing. We offer a 3-month warranty for all quality-related issues, including free replacements or refunds. Contact our after-sales service for any questions. What we like. This cleaner offers effortless control for siphoning out fish waste and impurities. Its durable, kink-resistant hose and sinkable gravel tube make maintenance a breeze. If you're looking for a straightforward and reliable tool for regular tank upkeep, this is a great choice. What people say. The pump is quiet and powerful, providing excellent water circulation for my aquarium. Easy to set up and maintain, this pump has kept my tank crystal clear. The adjustable flow rate is a great feature, allowing me to customize the water movement for my specific fish. Number 4. Aquarium Gravel Cleaner Water Changer Kit. Introducing our Aquarium Gravel Cleaner, designed for easy water changes and efficient gravel cleaning. Keep your fish tank pristine with minimal effort. Its lightweight, handheld design and 2 long inlet pipes make it suitable for various tank sizes. Installation and operation are simple and straightforward. Equipped with a filter basket, it effectively separates debris while preventing gravel or small fish from being siphoned out. Maintain clean water without worry. Getting started is easy. Just press the air button to start the siphon, and watch as water flows smoothly. Then, simply guide it to clean your desired areas. This kit comes complete with a soft hose, water flow clamp, glass scraper, hose clamp, and a pre-installed anti-backflow valve for your convenience. We are committed to your satisfaction. If you encounter any issues or need assistance with your new cleaner, please don't hesitate to contact us. What we like. Featuring a convenient handheld design and an air pressing button, this cleaner makes water changes simple. The built-in filter basket effectively prevents blockages and protects your fish. If you have a medium-sized tank and want a user-friendly device that minimizes hassle, this is the one for you. What people say. The pump is very quiet and efficient. Easy to set up and maintain, works great for small tanks. The flow rate is adjustable, which is perfect for different types of fish. Number 3. ENOMOL Aquarium Water Changer and Gravel Vacuum, 30 feet. Tired of messy bucket water changes? Our innovative device makes it simple to refresh your aquarium. Just connect and let it do the work. Say goodbye to spills and noisy operations. This system uses tap water pressure for a clean, quiet water change, perfect for any home. Keep your fish happy and healthy. The long cleaning tube with a built-in filter effectively removes debris from gravel without disturbing your aquatic friends. Worried about fitting? It comes with multiple adapters, ensuring a secure connection to most standard faucets and quick connectors. Experience the latest in aquarium care technology. Choose us for a higher quality, easier, and more comfortable way to maintain your fish tank. Your satisfaction is our priority. We're here to help if you need any assistance with your new aquarium tool. What we like. This semi-automatic water changer revolutionizes tank cleaning by using tap water pressure for quick water changes without buckets. Its long hose and gravel cleaning tube with a built-in filter make it efficient and quiet. If you have a larger tank and want to significantly reduce the effort and mess of water changes, this is an excellent option. What people say. The pump is quiet and powerful, providing excellent water circulation for my aquarium. Easy to set up and maintain, this pump has significantly improved the water quality in my fish tank. The adjustable flow rate is a great feature, allowing me to customize the water movement to suit my fish's needs. Number 2. AQUANEAT Aquarium Vacuum Siphon. Introducing the AQUANEAT Aquarium Vacuum Siphon, your ultimate solution for aquarium draining and filling. Make tank maintenance a breeze. Getting started is incredibly easy. Simply place the nozzle in your tank, give the bulb a few squeezes, and watch the water flow. It's designed for convenience and efficiency. Your fish are protected thanks to the built-in filter screen. It effectively prevents small fish like bettas and guppies from being accidentally sucked up. With a 1.6-meter hose, this tool is ideal for aquariums of 5 gallons or more. The 1.5-inch inlet diameter ensures efficient water changes. Maintain a pristine environment for your aquatic pets with minimal effort. This siphon ensures a clean and healthy habitat for all your fish. What we like. With a simple squeeze pump and a filter screen, this siphon makes aquarium draining and filling easy and safe for your fish. Its 5.25-foot hose is ideal for smaller tanks. If you have a smaller setup, like a betta or guppy tank, and prioritize safety and ease of use, this is a perfect fit. What people say. This pump is quiet and powerful, perfect for my 20-gallon tank. Easy to set up and maintain, and it keeps the water crystal clear. The adjustable flow rate is a great feature, allowing me to customize it for different tank sizes. Number 1. VIVOSUN 4500 GPH Submersible Water Pump. Introducing the VIVOSUN 4500 GPH Submersible Water Pump. It's designed for powerful performance with an ultra-quiet operation, making it ideal for various water features. Constructed with a durable silicon carbide shaft and drive ring, this pump is built for longevity. It's completely waterproof and features overload protection for reliable use. Experience significant energy savings with its low power consumption and high output. It's designed to be efficient, even for larger ponds up to 720 gallons. With an impressive lift height of up to 19 feet, this pump easily handles your water feature needs. It also comes with a convenient detachable filter and a portable handle. Installation is a breeze thanks to its adjustable outlet and long power cord. This versatile pump can be used submerged or inline, perfect for ponds, aquariums, waterfalls, and more. What we like. This powerful submersible pump boasts an ultra-quiet operation and a high flow rate, making it suitable for large tanks or ponds. Its durable construction and overload protection ensure longevity. If you need a reliable, energy-efficient pump for water circulation, filtration, or creating water features in larger setups, this is a top contender. What people say. The pump is very quiet and doesn't disturb the fish. It's easy to set up and maintain, even for beginners. The flow rate is adjustable, allowing for customization based on tank size and inhabitants. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.